that sign by the driveway, that wooden sign, don't run over that.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
They've already gone.
Already gone.
Here, take it.
Thank you, ma'am.
You probably can't take everything.
Go back, go.
Hey, you can drive through my yard if you want to. Yeah, just drop it and drive through the yard. I don't know, would that help you?
I don't want to get up there right there and do that way. I didn't know. Yeah. Follow it up.
Well, unforeseen event. The truck is full of chips. They got to go empty their truck and then come back and pick up their chipper. They're going to drop it off right there. They're not through chopping limbs, yeah. Well, you run out of diesel fuel?
You keep running hot.
I got some water here.
No, it's just a motor. It just always run hot.
Well, it's probably got better than 100,000 miles on it, ain't it? There might be two different speeds on that blower. You're gonna spoil him. You need a portable. Put one on your hard hand, blow on you all the time.
A limb and grab it, tear it off there.